Okay, one more topic today we are going to discuss, that is rectifier. So already we have discussed regarding PN junction, formation of PN junction, half bias and reverse bias as well. Now we will try to understand as rectifier. So what is rectifier? Any electronic device which converts AC supply to DC, that is direct current. So we say that one as a rectifier. So we are going to use PN junction diode as a rectifier. Actually, there are two types of rectifier. One is half. Now, as a rectifier, PN junction diode can be used as a rectifier, that is as a half wave rectifier and a full wave rectifier. In half wave rectifier, we have that the AC supply. So there are two types of rectifier. One is half wave rectifier, another is full wave rectifier. What is half wave rectifier? A rectifier which rectifies one half of AC input in the cycle is said to be a half wave rectifier, and the in case of full wave rectifier, it rectifies both the half cycle of AC supply. So now we'll try to understand what is half wave rectifier with the help of diagram and what is full wave rectifier with the help of diagram. Actually, half wave rectifier and the full wave rectifier both are mainly based on the principle that during the forward bias low resistance is offered and the reverse bias high resistance is offered. And the same principle is applied here in the rectifier also to get DC output at the resistance. So let us see the arrangement of half wave rectifier and the full wave rectifier. अब जो अरेंजमेंट यहाँ पर देखा जा रहा है, ये आपका जो हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर का बना हुआ है. इस हाफ वेव रेक्टिफायर में आप देख सकते हो कि ड्यूरिंग द फर्स्ट वन हाफ साइकिल व्हेन एसी इज इनपुट, फॉरवर्ड बायस गेट्स अप, whereas in the opposite half cycle reverse bias gets set to get output. Now that this arrangement here is when AC has been input, it is, you can see here P for primary coil, S for secondary coil, and you can see that here primary coil and secondary coil are set up as a transformer and it is a step down transformer. So during this position, the secondary coil is set up with the PN junction diode, and finally it is across the resistance RL we get as voltage, that is DC output voltage we get over in this position. In this way, from half wave rectifier we can get DC output applying AC input in step down transformer. Let us go with the full wave rectifier. In full wave rectifier we can show with the help of diagram as, ये भी एक और डायग्राम है. इस डायग्राम को हम बोलते हैं फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर. इन दिस फुल वेव रेक्टिफायर it is also based on the same principle that during forward bias offering low resistance and during the reverse bias offering high resistance. From here we can see that AC has been input over here in the, and P and S are both primary and secondary coils of the transformer. Here the very well you can understand the transfer is step down transformer. Also you can see that the S coil has connected with both the junction diode, P junction diode and P junction diode. So when the AC has been input, then if this gets forward bias, then automatically this gets reverse bias, and for the second half when this gets reverse bias, this will get forward bias. This is the basic principle, and total output DC voltage we get over this section, that is which is connected with the N section, that is with the resistance load. In this way it works as a full wave rectifier.